Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I had a little bit of leftovers from this past couple videos, and I'm going to go ahead and just pour them on this back here, and then we'll put a sticker or something on it, make it real pretty, and do that. But first I'm going to add some blue to the white. This is my sky blue mica powder. I'm not sure which one I got it from. It's either my Janshun resin or my my other one where I got just the mica powder off of Temu. They're all in my description. I'm thinking it's the one I got where I bought the mica powders in my Temu. Ah, dang it. I made a mess. Don't you fall. Coming up soon, we're going to have a lot of axolotls. That's it. A lot of axolotl collab coming up. And that is a sneak preview. I'll just put it that way of what it's going to look like. I've made one, so be on the lookout for that. And I'll have a playlist in the bottom that you can watch all of them. So let's go ahead and pour this in. It's nice and thick because it took me a minute. It took me a minute to do the axolotl and the other thing I'm working on. I had to make some extra resin for something, and I made a little too much. This is just going to be a key ring. Looks like I got way too much in there, but that's okay. Key rings can be a little chunky. You want to take a micro brush and go around the edges so that they don't have the bubbles on the edges. And around the little doodad here. And what I'm going to do, since these are so thick, is I'm going to go ahead and give it a swirl. See how thick it is? I'll put a little swirl in it. There. And when this is done, I'll put a sticker on it and make it into a keychain. We will see you soon. Hi, everybody. It's demolding day. I've got some stickers. Now, if you remember when I did this, I accidentally set it under something and it dripped on there. That happens. So I've got some really cute stickers. Life is better with a dog. These are the UTDTF stickers. So what you do with these is you pull the backing off. Make sure there's no hairs on them. I cut a little notch in there so that I can keep an eye on that. Where it goes. Oh, come on. Okay. Once that happens, you're kind of screwed. See how it came down, fell down. There was nothing I could do. Okay, so I'm pushing this down on here. And you just peel this back. when you dome it, I usually go around the edges like this. Even if there's a hole, it's okay. It's not going to bother. I can always re-drill the hole. Then see how it's going. Make sure there's no divots. See how it's not all the way over here. It's not all the way to the edge. Just got to be real careful when you go to do that. That looks really good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cure it. Sorry, my camera did its thing again. My camera messed up. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. I went ahead and put another I can't even say it. UVDTF. There it is. UVDTF. Don't ask me what those words mean. I know the second half is direct to film. But I don't know what, well, I guess UV as in UV. Duh. UV. Don't mind me. I'm just a little silly today. I am out of it today. That looks good. Now, if you have any that are coming off on the edges, I just take it and do that. Because I overpoured a little bit. This is one of those days that you shouldn't be doing any kind of resining stuff, because this is the kind of day that you get messed up. So what I'm doing is I'm finding something to set it on top of, and then I'm going to finish it up. This will work. Pick it up and put it on here. Okay. That way, in case it does come off on the edge, I can catch it. There we go. Well, it's good. I'm going to go ahead and cure it now. And since I've got it up on a thing, I'm going to hold this up a little bit so it's not right on top of it. Because if it's right on top of it, it may get crinkly. You know that sometimes you'll get a crinkle on top of UV resin. It's because your heat is too close to the object. All right. Of course. I'm going to cure it some more. I will go ahead and get this finished up and get some pictures for you. So pretty. And if you like this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I don't even care if you hit the dislike button, but go ahead and subscribe, share, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.